All right. Hey, yeah, thanks for joining the video. I want to talk about some free camping. If you're looking for the free camping sites up in North Texas, you got to check out the Lake Meredith overlook. It's on the east side of Lake Meredith on Highway 136 near a little town called French, Texas. Fritch, I think it's spelled. Check that out, free camping, Lake Meredith overlook. Also nearby is the McBride Canyon, and it's got some campgrounds back in the trees. No showers, but I did see some picnic tables, covered picnic tables, so that might be a spot. Didn't stay there at all, but that appeared free. I saw signs similar to I saw at the overlook, 14 days, 30 days during camping season, whatever that is. And so check out those sites on east side of Lake Meredith, North Texas, north of Amarillo. Flint Quarries that way, and we're gonna head over to McBride Canyon. So we'll be learning about this little national monument. It's a very quiet place, a very peaceful little corner, and should definitely check it out. The price is right; it's free. And inside the building over there is a little tiny museum and a 10-minute video about the history of the area. All right, check out that view behind me. That's beautiful. Somewhere out there is a Canadian river that runs for miles and miles, and Lake Meredith out there. And all right, yeah, so we're headed into McBride Canyon, part of the Lake Meredith National Recreational Area. Like there's some camping and hiking to be done around here so far. this is a beautiful, fun drive back here. We were looking for a place called the McBride Canyon Campground, and just past that should be a place called the McBride Ranch House. Apparently built and lived in by a guy, you guessed it, McBride and his family. Yeah, over this little ridge. We can find our way back there. We're gonna go check that out. A lot of little dirt roads going different directions, and I don't know if I'm going the right way or not. Apparently this is a hunting area as well, or at least it was back there just outside the park boundaries. We're safe now, I think. If I can find my way. But doesn't matter. We'll explore and have some fun. So this area is the McBride Canyon Campground area. Little fire pit over there. Just driving through a couple of spots. Looks like an amazing spot to dry camp in the area. If you're in your RV or a little van like myself. Well, the visit here is not going to be as interesting or fun as I was hoping. As you can see, it's all gated up and locked, and everything's taking a nice long walk on this beautiful day. Well, for me, it's a long walk. For most people, not so much. But it's so beautiful out there. What a wonderful day. Camped here overnight. Expect to stay another couple nights. It was nice and peaceful, perfect. It's free out here. Lake Meredith, the Flint Quarries area. If you're up in North Texas and want an incredible place to park for free, this might be a great spot for you. Give it a go. Yeah. I'm tired. I need a nap. Peace.